We are at 541 25th Ave South, Seattle, Washington 98144. Again, that is 541 25th Ave South, Seattle, Washington 98144. What you're looking at is the main. We did some hydrojetting, and so now we're about to pull back and show you where we finished.
We did extensive jetting on this route right here. We were not able to really clean it that well because we were very far out, and there's a lot of bends you'll see in the plastic initially, so it made our equipment limited. But previously at this joint, there was heavy root intrusion.